Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to your channel. Today, we dive into one of the most iconic and spiritual events in the world, the Maha Kumbh Mela, currently unfolding in India. Whether you're curious about its historical significance, its mind-boggling scale, or its profound cultural traditions, this video will reveal fascinating facts about this grand festival. So, let's get started. First things first, what is the Maha Kumbh Mela? It is the largest religious gathering in the world, held every 12 years at 4 sacred locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. This year, it's happening at Prayagraj. Millions of devotees, saints, and tourists gather here to take a holy dip in the sacred rivers. But why? Because it is believed that bathing in these rivers during the Kumbh cleanses all sins and leads to moksha or liberation. The mythological backstory: did you know the Maha Kumbh has its roots in Indian mythology? The story dates back to the Samudra Manthan, or the churning of the ocean by gods and demons to obtain the nectar of immortality, known as Amrit. When the pot of nectar appeared, a fierce battle broke out. Legend says that during this battle, drops of nectar fell at 4 locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain. These spots are now the sites of the Kumbh Mela. Scale and organization. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of the Maha Kumbh is its sheer scale. Imagine this. Over 200 million people are expected to attend this year's Maha Kumbh. That's more than the population of several countries combined. To manage this, the government builds massive tent cities, deploys thousands of security personnel, and provides facilities like clean drinking water, sanitation, and medical aid. It's a logistical marvel. Key rituals and akaras. The rituals at the Maha Kumbh are mesmerizing to witness. The most important ritual is the Shahi Snan, or royal bath. On specific auspicious dates, different akaras or sects of ascetics take turns to bathe in the sacred river. The sight of Naga sadhus, often covered in ash and carrying tridents, marching towards the river is truly iconic. Akaras have been the backbone of the Kumbh tradition for centuries, representing various schools of thought in Hinduism. Guinness World Records and unique features. Did you know the Maha Kumbh Mela holds multiple Guinness World Records? In 2013, the Kumbh in Prayagraj was recognized for being the largest human gathering ever recorded. This festival isn't just about spirituality, it's a showcase of Indian culture. There are cultural performances, spiritual discourses, and fairs that attract people from around the globe. It's truly a melting pot of traditions and beliefs. Environmental and social impact. While the Maha Kumbh is a spiritual event, it's also an opportunity to promote social and environmental causes. This year, there's a special emphasis on making the festival eco-friendly. Measures include cleaning the rivers, banning plastic, and using sustainable materials. Additionally, the festival provides livelihoods to thousands of locals, from vendors to service providers. Why you should visit? The Maha Kumbh Mela is more than just a festival. It's an experience that combines faith, culture, and humanity on an unprecedented scale. If you haven't visited yet, this is your chance to witness history in the making. Let me know in the comments if you've been to the Maha Kumbh or if it's on your bucket list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.